Hello everyone, my name is Thomas König and I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Energy Networks at E.ON. As an energy infrastructure provider, we supply our customers with electricity and enable the integration of renewable energies in order to guarantee security of supply. We have traditionally cut the vegetation below the power lines to a minimum, but we have found another, a less invasive way to manage our high voltage power line corridors and the vegetation there. With this approach, we create rich new habitats and biotopes for many species. Our ecological corridor management is already a well-proven concept. This is why E.ON is now partnering with the United Nations Environment Programme on their Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. As a starting point, we commit ourselves to roll out this eco-friendly approach of managing our high-voltage power line corridors in forests across Europe until 2026. This equals an area of 100,000 soccer fields. E.ON will invest a double-digit million euros budget. But this is just the beginning. For example, we create thousands of bird protection facilities along our power lines. We believe in the power of many. We therefore invite our customers, our suppliers and partners to help us prevent, halt and reverse the destruction of natural spaces together with us.